Hi boys and girls, our learning goal today is I can solve problems by comparing to find an unknown number. So if you think back to all the different strategies we've learned, one of them was the tape diagram. So we're going to do some word problems and we're going to review how to use a tape diagram. We're going to look at some problems where we might be adding or subtracting. We really have to pay attention to what the word problem says. So let's go ahead and let's look at one together. The first one says, Ben played 9 songs on his banjo. Lee played 3 more songs than Ben. How many songs did Lee play? So I have to look at my question. It's asking me how many songs did Lee play? So first I want to show what I know. I know I'm going to label B for Ben. I know that Ben played 9 songs. I know that Lee played 3 more songs than Ben. So that means Lee, and put an L for Lee, he played at least 9 songs because I know he played 3 more songs than Ben. So if Ben played 9 songs, I know that Lee had to play 9 songs and 3 more. Do you see how I did that with my tape diagram? So now I need to look at it and I need to answer the question. How many songs did Lee play? Well, he played 9 songs and 3 more. So 9 and 3, let me do my counting on. 9 plus 3 equals 12. So then I can answer it with a statement. Lee played 12 songs. Okay? Now I want you to try. So go ahead and get out your whiteboard or your journal, and you're going to do the next problem. Go ahead and press play when you're ready. So this one says, James ate 12 cookies. Meg ate 4 more cookies than James. How many cookies did Meg eat? So I want you to draw a tape diagram showing what you know. You should show me what James ate, and then Meg ate 4 more cookies than James. So go ahead and pause and solve this, and then you can check your answer. Okay? So does your whiteboard look like this? Did you show me that James ate 12 cookies, and Meg ate 4 more cookies than James? So she had to eat 12 plus 4 more. Did you find out that Meg ate 16 cookies? You're so smart. Alright, go ahead and cap your marker, and we're going to do another one together. Okay? This one says, Nikhil hopped on one leg 15 times in a row. Kim hopped 4 fewer times. Do you see that word, friend? It changed. How many times did Kim hop on one leg? So now I have to look at this a little differently. I'm going to put an N for Nikhil. I know she hopped 15 times in a row. I know that Kim hopped 4 fewer times. So now I'm going to have 15 be up here at the top because Kim hopped 4 fewer times. So I know that's going to be part of my problem. Now I need to solve how many times did Kim hop on one leg. So that's my question. So knowing what I know about the tape model and my number bonds, I have my whole number up here and I have a part. So I'm missing that part. How many times did Kim hop on one leg? 15 minus 4 equals 11. So Kim hopped 11 times. Remember, if this is tricky for you, you can draw a picture too. Alright, go ahead and get your whiteboard ready again. Erase it and get it ready. I'm going to have you try one of these on your own. It says, Sadie clapped 13 times in a row. Tina clapped 5 fewer times. How many times did Tina clap? So I know how many times Sadie clapped. I don't know how many times Tina clapped, but I do know that she clapped 5 fewer times. So go ahead and draw me a picture, show your good thinking, and solve how many times did Tina clap. Go ahead and pause and press play to check yourself. Okay, are you ready? I know that Sadie clapped 13 times and Tina clapped 5 fewer times. So I need to find that missing part for how many times Tina clapped. Did you get 8? I bet you did. Hope you showed your good thinking on your whiteboard. All right, go ahead and erase your whiteboard and cap your marker. And we're going to do another problem together. This one says, Shanika went down the slide 15 times. She went down 3 more times than Fran. How many times did Fran go down the slide? So we have to figure out how many times Fran went down the slide. So I know that Shanika went down the slide 15 times. It says that Shanika, she went down 3 more times than Fran. I want to know how many times Fran went down the slide. So that's what I'm trying to solve. So if Shanika went down the slide 15 times, and she went down 3 more times than Fran, I know that Fran went down the slide 15 minus 3, which equals 12. So Fran went on the slide 12 times. Okay, you really have to pay attention to what those word problems are saying. These always trick me, so I sometimes have to read them twice. Go ahead and let's get your whiteboard out and you can try one on your own. You ready? It says Martha picked up 16 rocks on the beach. She picked up 9 more than Peter. How many rocks did Peter pick up at the beach? So remember, that's a tricky one again. We have to pay attention to what it says. I'll read it one more time for you. It says Martha picked up 16 rocks on the beach. She picked up 9 more than Peter. We're trying to solve for how many rocks Peter picked up. Go ahead and press pause and solve your problem. Did you show me that Martha picked up 16 rocks? And that Peter picked up 9 less? If Martha picked up 9 more than Peter, then I know Peter had to pick up 9 less. So that missing part will show me how many Peter picked up. So 16 minus 9 equals 7. Peter picked up 7 rocks. Now if you want to double check, you can ask yourself, did Peter pick up 9 less rocks than Martha? Because it says Martha picked up 16 rocks. She picked up 9 more than Peter. So Peter picked up 9 less than Martha. And 16 minus 9 is 7. Always want to double check to make sure that we're answering the question that the word problem asks us. Okay, good job. All right, our last one. It says, go ahead and cap your marker. We're going to do this together. It says, Anton caught 10 fireflies. He caught 7 fewer fireflies than Julio. How many fireflies did Julio catch? Okay, this one's a little different again. I know that Anton caught 10 fireflies because it tells me right here. But I know that Anton, caught 7 fewer fireflies than Julio. So 7 fewer means 7 less. So Julio caught 10 fireflies and 7 more. Since Anton caught 7 fewer, Julio had to catch 7 more than Anton. So now I'm going to show my thinking. 10 plus 7 is 17. So Julio caught 17 fireflies. Anton caught 10. He caught 7 fewer than Julio. So 17 is 7 more than 10. So I know that my answer is correct. Go ahead and get out your whiteboard. This is your last one to try on your own. Ready? Oh, it gives you the answer. Well, let's just look at this one together, friend. Darnell has 13 baseball cards. He has 4 fewer than Willie. How many baseball cards does Willie have? So, since we're doing this together, we'll just look at it. Darnell has 13, and I know that he has 4 fewer than Willie. And then I want to know how many Willie has. So that means that Willie has 13 plus 4 more. So Willie has 17 baseball cards, and Darnell has 13. Okay? Sorry that one messed up a little bit. But you have plenty of time to practice here because now it's your turn. You're going to get your exit ticket from your teacher, and you're going to practice all these different word problems. Remember, you need to really make sure you listen to what each word problem is asking you to do, and make sure you answer the question that the word problem asks. All right? Good luck!